G'day guys, so what I got here is a aluminium extrusion. I just got this around my little bench there to light up. So what I'm using is the Micro 10, MIKRO 10 aluminium extrusion. It's glass edge lit. It's pretty cheap is what I can get here in Australia. There's actually a different, better one that I wanted, but it's actually pretty expensive. They're going to charge me like $300, but it's too expensive. So what I got here is also the Govee LED strips. They unfortunately were made for TV and they had a silicone waterproof covering on it. I did not need that silicone waterproof covering because it would not fit inside the extrusion. So I just gently took it off. This one actually screwed up because I tried to fit it in. Had to cut it off and resolder the joints to the power source. So here it is on the little glass bench. I couldn't get anything around these properly, therefore just put it like that. It's not the best, it's something cheaply done, and the glass was full glass, therefore lighting it would only light the edges, wouldn't be able to see on top or the bottom. Therefore I put a frosted film on top of it to act as a diffuser so it spreads the light nicely. So there you go, you can now see the light, change it there, bit of blue, so as you can see it's not too bad, it's just doable. I like a spread better, more, but hey, something cheap that you can be done. I shouldn't say cheap, it did cost me a little bit more than usual, but yeah, it would do for now. And here's other lights, do all sorts of things. Anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.